Hi, this is Joe with Insight. We're going to be testing, the house we're testing today has got a direct vent furnace, so we're going to be doing a little bit of an inspection here. First of all, just notice that the unit is fairly dirty, got kind of dust and debris. Part of the challenge with that is it's hard to tell the condition of it. If everything's clean and something gets dirty, then you know what's happened since the last time you cleaned it. So generally a good idea just to kind of keep your equipment kind of tidy. It's easier to notice when stuff starts going sideways on you. We've got some incomplete insulation on here. In the summertime, there's going to be humid air touching this guy, condensing and dripping moisture down. Let's see, we want to always check our air filter, make sure that, of course, this one is nice and tricky and apparently going out the back side. So I'm going to reach through and this is one of those cases where it'd probably be good if somebody had closed off the back. If you can't get to it, then it doesn't need to be open. It's going to be sucking a lot of basement air past the filter instead of sucking it from the second floor where you're trying to get the heat, off the second floor in the summertime. All right, so we're going to open up our blower cabinet just to kind of take a peek, see what's in here. And again, it is simply dirty. A lot of cat hair, a lot of dust, or pet hair, I should say. And as always, we're just going to do a little photo documentation of the condition of the equipment when we were testing. Ooh, wow, very, very dusty blower motor. So this unit could benefit from a good cleaning. It's my understanding that some construction has happened on and off throughout the years, and if you did a study of the dust, you could probably figure out what happened and when. All right, now where's our power? Power. That's not power. Top it off. Yeah. That'll keep it from turning on. The power switch for our furnace is all the way over there.
Through
Go
all
figure.
This to here.
All right, so I'm gonna put this guy back on so we know what